A record number of cases in 24 hours, at least for the last several months, coming in from Mumbai. 3,671 new cases. That's up from 2,510 cases in Mumbai. These are numbers coming in just now. It is yet another indicator of the rapid spread of the disease in India, possibly led by the Omicron strain. My colleague Saurabh Gupta joins us for more on this. Saurabh, what are the details?
Well, this is a worrying situation because the number of cases that we've seen are seeing an exponential rise from 1,377 cases to day before yesterday. It was 2,510 yesterday, 3,671 today. That's a huge rise, more than 1,000 cases more today. And officials say that from the 21st of December, all the samples that have tested positive, they are going to send for genome sequencing. And some of those samples have already been sent. Those results are expected this evening, which will throw light on whether this spike is driven by the Omicron variant or not. So that is, of course, something that the officials are looking at. But alongside, they've already opened up all the ward-level war rooms. Now, these war rooms are critical. They played a critical role in the management of the pandemic during the devastating second wave in Mumbai, in terms of triage, oxygen availability, medicine supplies. And also the field hospitals have already been activated. Medical staff are being rehired. So Mumbai is preparing for a huge number of cases. But the only sort of silver lining in all of this, at least till now, is the fact that of the 6,000 odd cases that have been registered in the last 4 days, only about 280 patients are in hospital. And of those 280 patients, no one is in the ICU or is on oxygen support. So that officials say is the silver lining, but the huge number of cases is definitely a worry. The Maharashtra COVID Task Force met the Chief Minister this evening, and they've decided for now the lockdown, the restrictions that have been put in place are enough, but they will meet every week to review the situation and suggest more restrictions if necessary.
All right, we leave it there. Thanks very much for joining us. So this is now a matter of huge concern with nearly 3,700 cases being reported in 24 hours in Mumbai. At the moment, 11,360 active cases in Mumbai. These numbers now rising very, very fast indeed. Perhaps in a sense similar to global trends, given the nature of Omicron, which is far more transmissible, Omicron being the latest variant of COVID.